The 2025 Chevy Nova SS454 is a modern muscle car that pays tribute to its legendary past while embracing cutting-edge technology and engineering. Chevrolet has resurrected the Nova nameplate with a bold, aggressive design, a monstrous big block, engine, and advanced performance features that push it into the future while staying true to its roots. Under the hood, the 2025 Nova SS454 roars to life with a 7.4-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing an earth-shaking 650 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an optional 10-speed automatic for those who want lightning-fast shifts. The result is blistering acceleration, with the Nova rocketing from 0 to 130 to 60 mph in just under 3.5 seconds, making it one of the most powerful muscle cars on the market. The exterior design is a perfect fusion of classic and contemporary styling. The wide, aggressive stance is complemented by sharp LED lighting, a sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, and a sleek fastback profile. Chevrolet has brought back the signature SS badging, ensuring that enthusiasts recognize its legendary heritage at first glance. A variety of bold color options, including heritage-inspired hues like Hugger Orange and Fathom Blue, let buyers customize their Nova to match their personality. Step inside, and the cockpit is a blend of muscle car nostalgia and modern convenience. A driver-focused digital gauge cluster provides real-time performance data, while a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation. The leather-wrapped bucket seats, adorned with SS embroidery, provide both comfort and support during spirited driving. Carbon fiber and brushed aluminum accents reinforce the Nova's high-performance pedigree, while an optional premium Bose sound system ensures that the soundtrack matches the car's exhilarating performance. Handling and braking have been fine-tuned for precision and control. The Nova SS454 features a magnetic ride suspension system, delivering a balance between daily driving comfort and track-ready stiffness. A limited slip differential and high-performance Brembo brakes ensure that all the power is put to the pavement while maintaining stability through tight corners. Wide Michelin Pilot Sport tires provide superior grip, keeping the Nova planted even under intense acceleration. Chevrolet has created a masterpiece that embodies the spirit of American muscle with modern-day performance and technology. The 2025 Chevy Nova SS454 is more than just a revival of a classic nameplate. It's a statement that the muscle car era is far from over.